Joseph Fahey AC was an Australian politician who served as Premier of New South Wales from 1992 to 1995 and as the Federal Minister for Finance from 1996 to 2001. He was a member of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly from 1984 to 1996 and the Federal House of Representatives from 1996 to 2001. Fahey also served as President of the World Anti-Doping Agency and later became Chancellor of the Australian Catholic University. Fahey was born in Wellington, New Zealand, the son of Stephen Fahey, a farmer, and his wife Annie Fahey of Galway, Ireland. In 1956, Fahey migrated with his family to Picton, New South Wales. He was educated at Chevalier College in Bowral and the University of Sydney. He married Colleen Mary McGurran in 1968 and they had 2 daughters and 1 son. He became a naturalised Australian in 1973. Fahey also played 37 lower-grade matches for the Canterbury Bankstown Bulldogs in the NSWRL. Fahey won the seat of electoral district of Camden for the Liberal Party in 1984. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.